Yo, it's Nez, and I'm dropping another impromptu review on y'all. And this time, what I'm going to be doing a review of is the BAM. This is the DHP, Durrell Home Products, Emily Futon. Now, pretty much, you get the gist of what it is just by looking at the picture on the front of the box. It's basically a futon, and this is going to be for my man cave that's still a work in progress. I've already put it together, but I figured, you know what, let me do a video of this to show you guys what it looks like, just in case someone out there is interested in getting it, and you can actually see what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is let you see the box, and then I go show you the completed product put together. So with that being said, let's get into this. This is the front of the box. It's the Emily Futon by DHP. Bang. The measurements of the box is it's 3 feet or 36 inches tall by 45 inches wide, and the depth is 13 inches. That's how big the box is. I lifted this box into the house by myself, so I'm gonna say the weight of it is roughly I'm gonna say about 60-70 pounds. So one person shouldn't have a problem getting the box into the house, but obviously two people are better. This is the front of the box. This is the top of the box right here. Just pretty much just a bunch of the artwork. There's the back of the box. Nothing going on the back of the box. The side of the box right there. Just more artwork. And here's the other side of the box. More artwork, as you see. That's where I opened it up. And the bottom of the box, I'm sure it looks like the top of the box right there. So yeah, so this is the measurements of the actual futon. Bong right there. You can read that for yourself. So it's a decent size. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video and but real quick, let you see this. This is also on the front of the box right here. All right. You read that for yourself. I like the fact that they put contact information right on the front of the box in case you have an issue with it. You can contact them directly. I mean, I don't know about that right now because we're right in the middle of coronavirus season. My wife actually bought this for me for my man cave for Christmas, but and I know you're probably saying to yourself, hey, it's May. Why are you doing it now? I was like, because any of you who already know from the videos I've done in my man cave, that's quite a mess, but it's getting there. And now that I got this together, I'm gonna, complete the whole setup. I just got to build my bar. But with that being said, enough about that. Let's go down there and take a look at the futon. So catch you on the flip. Okay, we're back in. This is what she looks like. Look how pretty this bad boy looks. Look how pretty this bad boy looks. Don't mind the mess. I'm still in the process of setting my man cave up. I'm still trying to get stuff out of boxes and set up the way I want. Bong, this is pretty. And the thing I like about the most, it's in sections here. You can raise, or let me just let you go around it real quick. This is the side of it. The only thing I could say, if I had to say anything about this, is that there's no side arms, but you really don't need it. You really don't need the side arms. Underneath it, you got the chrome feet on them. There's 6 of them. So that way you get plenty of support there. 2 in the middle. And big ones in the front, supporting most of the weight, and then nice straight ones in the back, right there. Bong. You see it right there? Nice straight ones in the back. Okay. And then what I like about this the most is that, let me see if I can get over here a different vantage point. Okay, when you pull up on it like so, you can lay that down flat. Bong. So, and you can adjust it to different angles. See? And then you can come straight up with it. I think you might even have another level. Let me bring it all the way down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you have 3 different levels, and each side can be adjusted for its own. This is the back of it over here, just so you can see what the back of it looks like. This thing is awesome. I have to honestly say, That black bag is the black bag that it came in, just to kind of protect it. This was completely folded in half to fit in that box. So the measurements of the box, what I say the box was 45 inches wide. So now this whole thing is 90 inches wide. No, it can't be 90 inches wide. That's not right. Oh, it's 45 inches wide standing straight up. So from there to there, so from here to here is 45 inches. Okay, so this is about 3 feet. So 72 inches. That's about the width of this whole thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and switch the vantage point, and I'm going to hop in it. So hold on a second. Okay, we're back in. Wow, look at this. This is mad comfortable here. Look at this. Like this room. This is essentially a couch. This is a couch. Like, I don't know if you're seeing that. I'm trying to see it so you guys can see it. And then whoever's over here can just they can lay down, do their thing over there, bong, like so. And while I'm still sitting here chilling, I'm gonna raise this up so I can come over here and sit on this side over here. Oh yeah, this is it right here, man. This is it right here. Yeah. So you could like literally chill, and I got my TV right up there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me let you see it right quick. Got my TV up there. So, and I got another TV that's gonna go right there in that spot. And then in this spot down here, I'm debating whether to put like one of those digital photo albums using that 32-inch TV over there. Just to put it down there, just constantly showing pictures, updating from my Google Drive, my Google Photos, I should say. But yeah, this is like the perfect vantage point at this angle to see that TV. As you see my head right there, bong, how I'm looking at the angle, and then camera without moving, bong, perfect vantage point for that TV. So yeah, man, definitely cop this. Plenty of room. But again, I say please don't mind the mess. Just like they're doing construction outside in front of my house, I'm doing construction in here. I'm setting it up, but you'll see the finished product when I'm done, because I'm gonna do a video on how my man cave came out when it's all done. Now in the next video, I have a cover for this, so you know I gotta deck it out with my Cowboys, baby. You know how I do. So with that being said, I'm Nez, and this has been an impromptu video on the DHP the DHP something futon, Emily Futon, the DHP Emily Futon. Cop this. I'll put the links in the description where my wife bought it from. I'm Nez, and I'm out this piece.